next supplication, which will be discussed, is found in chapter 20, verses 25 to 28.
Moses said, "My Lord, expand for me my breast with assurance, and ease for me my task, and untie the knot from my tongue, that they may understand my speech."
The first aspect of this supplication indicates the importance of strengthening one's faith. This has been discussed in detail in many other podcasts. But to sum up, the stronger one's faith, the greater their obedience to Allah, the Exalted, in the form of fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and being patient with destiny. The greater one's obedience, the more easily they will overcome all difficulties in both worlds, so that they achieve success, peace of mind, and body in both worlds. The foundation of certainty of faith is knowledge. The more one gains and acts on knowledge, the more their faith will strengthen, so that they move from faith based on imitation to certainty of faith, which is behaving as if they observe Allah, the Exalted, watching their outer and inner being at all times. This is the level of excellence which has been discussed in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 99, chapter 41, verse 53.
We will show them our signs in the horizons and within themselves, until it becomes clear to them that it is the truth.
The next part of the supplication indicates the importance of understanding that one's strength, knowledge, inspiration, and opportunity to practically obey Allah, the Exalted, all comes from none other than Allah, the Exalted. This will prevent one from adopting the deadly sin of pride. The next part of the supplication indicates the importance of controlling one's speech. A Muslim should only untie their tongue in speech, which is beneficial in both worldly and religious matters, and to tie one's tongue so that they avoid all evil and vain speech, meaning useless speech, which often leads to sinful speech. A separate podcast series titled Speech has been produced, which discusses the dangers of the tongue in detail. One should follow the advice given in the narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 176, by speaking good words or remaining silent. This supplication encompasses all the elements of success, which are internal belief, physical actions, and speech.